This is the Makita storage system. Can this rival the Milwaukee Packout system? Let's find out. Let me begin by saying I am a huge Makita fanboy. As you can see, I have a lot of Makita power tools. I use Makita power tools every day at work. And so when I purchased this storage unit off of Amazon, I was really underwhelmed, especially because when you go to Home Depot, you see all the Milwaukee Packout stuff, you're able to touch it, but they didn't have this in stock, and so I had to buy this kind of sight unseen. And when I got it, I was very disappointed because this is cheaper than the Milwaukee Packout system, like standard, mid-sized box, but it just doesn't feel as well constructed. It doesn't feel like it's going to stand up to the stresses of commercial or industrial carpentry. It just doesn't feel as well put together. First of all, just the material doesn't feel as strong. It feels just like really hard plastic. I know the Milwaukee Packout system is also, but it feels like this is to fall over. It's gonna crack. Milwaukee, it has a lot of different like little bars that come off the sides to kind of absorb some of that pressure if it was to fall over. Again, the way how these come together is these little clasps on the side, and these feel really flimsy. And plus, because they're on the exterior, they're going to take the brunt of the punishment if these were to tip over or get hit with something. So that's going to affect the function of these being able to hold another box in place. I don't think that was a great design decision. I like how the Milwaukee Packout system, the way they adhere to each other is inside, so it's kind of covered and protected. That definitely was more forethought put into it than these. And again, these are just like basic, nothing really too great, so there's no reason to buy a less superior product just because of name recognition. Again, there's nothing really noteworthy to speak on these boxes. They don't have a lot of synergy when it comes to the tools. There's not like certain little things like it can hook inside of there to secure it better. Again, the way you lock it, it kind of seems kind of flimsy also. Just overall, not the best product. It's not the worst. I kind of keep this. I don't return things very often because I'm kind of lazy, and if I have it, I can find some use for it. So I use this for a lot of my finished tools, and I keep this on my cart. But other than that, I would recommend, if you're going to invest in buying a storage unit for your tools on your job site, or just to transport your tools back and forth from different jobs, definitely go with the Milwaukee Packout system. This is definitely not worth it. This is some criticism for Makita so they can up their game. Milwaukee is killing the game when it comes to innovation. So friendly word of advice, Makita, step your game up. You can do better than this. I love your power tools, but this box just isn't it. Thank you guys for watching. Short review, not too long. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you want me to review next. Thank you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.